Here is Vendor Verdict in action. I'm on the Warrior Plus affiliate offers page right now, and as you can see, every single vendor has already been graded automatically. A, B, C, D, and F right there next to the offer title. No clicking, no research, it just works. Let me hover over this one. You can see the full breakdown, refund rate, conversion rate, sales volume, average customer value, and pulse score. A's and B's, that's someone worth promoting. C is middle ground, proceed with caution, and D and F, do not promote. Now let me show you an F score. Low gravity, terrible EPC, high refund rate, that's a hard pass. Just filter by any category. Badges load instantly on the filtered results too. Same grades, same accuracy. That's Vendor Verdict. It gives you peace of mind so you don't have to worry about promoting bad offers that will lead to refunds, or worse yet, burning your list and not having your customers trust you. Every time you browse Warrior Plus with Vendor Verdict, you'll know exactly who's worth your time and who isn't. Pick up Vendor Verdict today and save time, save your email list, and best of all, promote winners.